Have you ever noticed how your sink area always ends up feeling wet, messy, and constantly in need of wiping no matter how often you clean it? Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this stone faucet mat from Natureva is not only beautifully made, but also so practical. What makes it so unique is the material. It's made from diatomite stone, which is naturally super absorbent. It instantly soaks up water from dishes, soap bottles, and hand washing, and then it dries up quickly on its own, so you don't get that damp, musty smell like with regular mats. It also comes in 3 different colors. There's a light white color, which is chalk, the graphite one, which is dark gray, then the slate one, which is medium gray color. It also has that sleek, minimalist stone look. So instead of looking messy or bulky, it actually blends into your sink area and makes everything look way more clean and put together. I love how it helps keep my countertops dry and reduces constant wiping, especially around the faucet area where water usually builds up. I love how low maintenance it is. You just rinse it or lightly sand it if needed to keep it working like new. And that's just my point of view.